So the first thing that we're going to do when we're cleaning our mat is we're going to take the mat and we're going to take some kind of either Cricut scraper or squeegee here like I have, and we're just going to go ahead and get some of this gunk off that's just kind of like the paper and other things that have built up. As you can see, just kind of built up. And then once you're done with getting most of the big gunk off, we will move over to the sink. Next, take your mat and you're going to apply just a pump or two of soap. This is just regular dish soap, as you see here. We're going to take that, we're going to kind of rub it in with our hands like so to get started. And then I am going to take a sponge and work over it as well. The soft side. Just kind of go over it until all that gunk is gone. And we're going to go ahead and rinse it and see what we have, and we'll go from there. Still needs a little more work around the edges. Okay, and here we go. It is a million times better. I mean, you could practically eat off this. It's so much cleaner compared to what it was before. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it air dry, and it will be sticky again, and we'll be ready to use it again for our crafting. So let's just go ahead and put it aside and let it air dry. Here is the mat that is fully dried, and it is sticky again. So when you're cleaning your mat, when it gets wet, you'll notice that it's not sticky. So don't panic if that happens. Once it dries, the sticky will come back. So just go ahead and do what I showed you there as far as cleaning it, let it air dry, and your mats will be good as new. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Thank you guys for watching.